Red corner starts.
Kanon et Fabrice ont commencé.
La couleur rouge commence. Ghetto style. Let's go! Ghetto style. Come on. Let's go.
Check me out though. Hey, my guns popping like lip gloss. And where I'm from, the body's dropping like shit, boss. So run up and get your shit tossed. I got a fully automatic, the same size as Rick Ross.
Your boy going hard. Let's go.
My guns popping like lip gloss. And where I'm from, the body's dropping like shit, boss. So run up and get your shit tossed. I got a fully automatic, the same size as Rick Ross. And don't forget that I'm rich, boss. I can pay to turn your brains into tongue. Fish sauce, so get shot and get lost. The four bitches looking at you like, ew, that shit's gross. I just cranked myself up. I'm so ahead of y'all, I gotta back myself up. And nowadays, everybody say they ball. I don't believe in one bit, I think they fraud. Last week they had to put a nigga in the coffin. He took
Yes.
swing by swing,
Come on. Come on. Let's go.
I know you heard about the most streets where young niggas pump crack and dump gas at the police. And these dope fiends OD. We got them butter that's known to leave a brother with no teeth. They think Frisco is so sweet until they come out there and get fed to the groves beat and find me where the hoes be. I wanna fuck your face, hold your head back like a nosebleed. I move slowly, pro meth and codeine. Got my mind spinning like ring around the rosy. I sell kush by the OZ, but when the feds come around, T.I., you don't know me. Quick to tell a bitch blow me. I was in the too long, I'm back to the old me. Back to big black hats and red beans. I'm addicted to the dough, I'm a bread fiend.
Okay, let's go. I hear your boy Switch. Fabrice. Come on. Yes. Let's not forget DJ Houston Hawks on the way to see if the real deal right now. Attention. That's right.
Attention, décision.
Judges at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.